Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm today next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that gold is still very much bullish and trying to go up here. So after the market opening, gold made a high of 4657 and right now gold is showing signs of consolidation, which is quite normal. And if you look at the market sentiment, we can see that the market sentiment is also bullish. So in simple words, if you have any ongoing buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position as long as gold is trading above 4600. If gold breaks 4600, yeah, then it's better to exit. But if you're a swing trader, okay, or if you prefer to hold trades for a couple of days, then yes, you can hold your position right now because the market sentiment is also very much bullish. You can see gold hits over 3-month high ahead of US inflation data, Fed chair speech. Gold rises, appeal grows amid uneasy US fiscal outlook. In simple words, market is waiting for the US inflation data and the comments from the Federal Reserve. So there's a high chance that in the next few days, okay, we may see the ongoing market sentiment to dominate gold. And ongoing market sentiment is bullish. So yes, there is a possibility that in the next 1 or 2 days, gold may remain bullish because of this. Okay. Now you can see we have two charts in front of us. This is the 15 minutes time frame where we will discuss the trading opportunities for a day, 15 minutes. And this is the 4 hours time frame. Usually, we do not talk about the 4 hours time frame because we are most day traders, or at least I'm a hardcore day trader. So 4 hours time frame is very slow for me. But I would like to show you guys one thing. That's why I have opened this 4 hours time frame. If we look at the overall chart of gold here, then obviously there is no doubt that gold was bearish. Here, the structure shift took place that we discussed thoroughly. Then market broke the important level of 4400. Since then, gold is bullish, isn't it? But here, if you look at the chart carefully, you can see that gold is standing at the top right now. Okay, so in a situation like this, a consolidation is important. So during the day, if market drops, for example, if you see that during the European session, there is a sudden red candle, then do not be surprised. It means that gold has come down for retracement. And there's a good chance that gold will be taking support around this or this. We will discuss that. But what I'm trying to say is that right now on the higher time frame, gold is standing at the top. As we all know, all the market move in a zigzag pattern. So if gold drops, don't be surprised. It means that gold has come down for consolidation. Okay, now let's discuss the trading opportunities. This is the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, this is the 15 minutes time frame of gold. At the time of recording the video, we can see that gold is trying to take support around 4632, 4634. The previous resistance is working as support here. To be honest, I don't have any buy right now. Okay, because I would like to observe the market a little. Okay. If you have any buy, you can hold your buy position. But during the day, if market drops, we can look for support around 4600 to 4604. The blue line that you see here is the support, where as a day trader, we can look for a buy position. Why? The same logic. The previous resistance is working as support here. Already, market has taken support here twice. So in a situation like this is not a good level. But 4600 is a round number. That's why we are expecting that in a low volume market like this, we can look for a buy position again. If market doesn't take support directly, okay, if market shows liquidity grab also, yeah, there is a possibility of liquidity grab as well. If it grab some liquidity or hunts down stop losses, then also we can look for a buy. But 460004 is a level to watch. And as we have seen on a higher time, जो हमने higher time frame में देखा, okay. So if market drops suddenly because market is looking or market requires a consolidation, in that case, we can look for a support around 4570 the black line that you see here. Why? Normal support. Okay. Otherwise, we can look for a support around 4537, 4530. The box that you see here is the second support on the chart of gold, where we can look for a buy position if market drops suddenly, because market requires a consolidation. So these are the two support levels on the chart of gold if gold surprises us with a selling pressure. Otherwise, as a day trader, this is our support around 4600. At the time of recording the video, as I have already mentioned, we can see market is taking support around 4632. I do not have any buying right now. But after some time, if you see the market is trying to take support, market is showing price rejection from below, then we can look for a buy, but do not expect much, because I don't know. I have a feeling that there is a possibility the market may go down a little. That's why I'm waiting for this. And in case, okay, in case market drops and then market goes up, then क्या हो गया यहाँ पे खेल हो गया SL grab. Okay, so in that case you can look for a buy here after the SL grab. And if market doesn't come down, what will happen? Obviously the market will be going up, isn't it? Because in any market, any chart, we have only two possibilities. Either the market will be going down or the market will be going up. So here, if market goes up, then we can look for a buy above 4658. Initially, we can target 80 to 100 pips. It's $8 to $10 move. If you see that the move is really very strong, then you can target higher. Usually in a breakout, we should always look for a higher target. But here we have seen that on the higher time frame, market is standing at the top. So a little bit risky to keep an open TP or expecting 200 to 400 pips. So initially, let's go with 80 to 100 pips. If market shows that it has potential, if it is a very big green candle or high volume breakout, then we can mm, move along with the breakout. But here we have a possibility of a breakout, but be careful, because gold has been going up without proper consolidation on a higher time frame. Higher time frame में उतना consolidation नहीं हुआ है, so ये थोड़ा risky है. Okay, so watch out. Okay, do not take a position and forget. That can be risky. So these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold right now that I see. If again repeating, if market drops because of the higher time frame possibility, then these two are the support levels around 4570, 453730. Otherwise, as a day trader, we can look for a buy position around this area. Okay, red buy around this area, or we can look for buy above this area. After 1 hour, 1.5 hours, if market still takes support around this particular zone, then we can look for a buy position, quick buy, quick exit. If market breaks also, then also there's a possibility of liquidity and market going up. In that case, we can look for a buy above for 5 3 2 4 5 3 4. Okay, so let's wait and watch. If anything crazy happens, we'll get an update in the WhatsApp community. Bye bye.